It says, suppose a survey of students, of graduates from the Faculty of Economics and Management Sciences is conducted. On the basis of the survey, assume the mean monthly salary for the accounting graduates and economics graduates immediately after graduation is 14,000 and 15,500 respectively. Assume that the monthly salary standard deviation for the accounting graduates is 6,000 and for economics graduates is 3,000. Alright, so we're given mean and standard deviation for two samples, one for accounting graduates and one for economics graduates. So that should be clear to everyone. Yeah? Now the first required question says, what is the probability that a simple random sample of 36 accounting graduates will provide a sample mean within 500 of the population mean 14,000? Alright, so we jump straight into it. The best way I like doing this is just to summarize all that information into statistical symbols. Then it becomes easy to plug into the formulas and stuff. Alright, so how do we do that? So I know that my sample mean is, for here we're dealing with accounting graduates, so it's 14,000. My sample standard deviation is 6,000 and my sample size is 36. The 36 is given here, standard deviation is given here, and the mean is given here. Right. So what do we want? We want the probability of it being within 500. Within 500 means less than or equal to 500 or on the positive side. So it means within 500, it means either 500 up or down. Alright, so the next step, that's how we formulate. So that's how we simplify this whole statement. It has been summarized like that. What is the probability that the simple random sample of 36 accounting will provide the sample mean within? So within, that's why we have plus and minus. Alright, so the next stage is to change this into Z. So to do that, we standardize. So we just take the 500, we divide it by the standard error. Our standard error is standard deviation divided by root of n. We do the same thing here. Standard deviation divided by root of n. Alright? From there, we can use our calculator to simplify. As you can see, it's the same thing. The only difference is one is a minus, one is a plus. So fraction here, 500. At the bottom we have also 6,000 divided by root 36. So as you can see, we get 0.5. So it's going to be negative 0.5, smaller than z, smaller than positive 0.5. Now when you are here, the next stage is to go to the tables and find what is the area covered by negative 0.5 to 0.5. Yeah? So you can download the table that I've provided here, which is the commonly used tables. So we want the one for normal distribution. So the ones for normal distribution can be so many different types. So I'm assuming there are three types. There's this one, which shows only the portion from 0 to z. We have again another standard normal, but this one, it shows cumulative for the negative side. And then we have another one which shows cumulative but on the positive side. So it doesn't matter which table we will choose, right? UNAM, I think it usually uses this particular one. So we're going to go with this one. So we want 0.5. So 0.5, you can see it's here. And it corresponds to 0, 0 here. So what we want is this one here. So it's 0.1915. So it doesn't matter whether you're going from 0 to 0.5 or from 0 to negative 0.5. You will cover the same area. Alright, so 1915. So what we're saying is here it's 0.5, here it's negative 0.5. So what we want is the middle, all that area. So we know from here to there we found 0.1915 from the table. So also it will be the same here, 0.1915. So at the end of the day, our final answer is 0.1915 plus 0.1915, which is equal to 0.1915 plus 0.1915. We know we will get 0.383. So that is what answer we are looking for. So the probability that a simple random sample of 36 accounting graduates will provide sample mean within 500 of the population mean is 0.383. Alright, so that is it for part A. Thank you for watching. We'll continue together in part B because we want to make the videos as short as possible, so we do section by section. Thank you. See you in the next question.